Listen to a conversation between Henry and Emily, then answer the following question. Where is the bread located? A. In the dairy section. B. In aisle 6. C. In aisle 7.
Excuse me, do you know where the eggs are?
Yes, they're in aisle 7, but be careful because the aisle is currently under maintenance, and there might be some boxes lying around.
Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. By the way, have you seen any sour cream around here? I've been looking for it for a while, but I can't seem to find it.
Yeah, I saw some earlier. I think it's in the dairy section near the back of the store.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem. Oh, and if you're looking for some good bread, I recommend the one in aisle 6. It's fresh and delicious.
Thanks for the tip, I'll check it out.
Now answer the question. Where is the bread located? In the dairy section, in aisle 6, in aisle 7. Leave your answer in the comments.